So we've just wrapped up Charlie's Defender, Overfinch Defender. Been working on this for the past week. Bit of tuning, bit of sorting stuff out. Lovely piece of kit. I'm going to walk you around it. It'll be a real quick video. Explain some of the things that we do in the Defender. Some of the little tricks that we use to get the best sort of output from them. Once it's been fully deadened. Once they're fully deadened, it really is quite a cool place to listen to music. All right. So we put a three-way front end in this. We started by deadening the whole car. Everything inside has been sound deadened, replaced, and all the trim's gone back in. This little light in here is just for us, just for the video. So our three-way kit starts down the bottom. We put a mid bass into the bottom box down there. This box then acts as an enclosure and really amplifies the mid bass. We put the mid range on a spacer and use the original grill. But there's a real nice mid-range in there now. And then up top are the tweeters, hybrid audio tweeters in this one. Kenwood head unit, which was in the car when we got the car, so we've not changed that unit out now. And the centre console, which is a little different, we don't usually do this, but the Bit 1 HD is quite large, so we've made a new floor inside there, vented, and we've put the processor inside this. And we put the DRC in there for probably only be used for subwoofer control. So yeah, we've got Charlie wants to be able to remove his subwoofer enclosure. Usually we do a centre box, as you may have seen. In this one we've got a couple of subs, JL TW3s in a rear box, which is on, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see them. It's on banana plugs, so you can just about make them out down there. So you can just whip that out and yeah, put in the garage, and then you've got your full load space back. I mean, he's got his boxes from his new equipment in there at the moment, but that works. So yeah, whole thing deadened, which really quietens the Defender down, you know. Then let's put something on, shall we? When the second sun is stuck into my body, too. But the one that you put me in it won't be you. Running dancing all alone in the moonlight. Did you really know that I was taken by your time? If I'm honest, and I would be waking up in your arms. Even though it wasn't right, but we didn't give it down. I know it's what I know, you ain't no fool, right? Did you really know we would take it slow? Did you really know you ain't one heart? Did you really know, but baby, you would take my way into what I get paid and never really wanted to. That's it. This is complete. Charlie will be down a couple of hours, pick up, cleaned it out, and he'll have a good drive home. Loves a bit of music. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. If you see, you know, if there's anything particular you want to see from the Defender video or from any of the upgrades, just give us a shout, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you.